Very good morning, children. Welcome back to the math class. Children, open your book at page number 108. The true story of Padki Devi. My timeline. Children, what is timeline? A timeline is a list of important events arranged in the order in which they happened. So here is the story of the Padki Devi. Let's see. My name is Padki Devi. I live in a village in Dhanbad district, Jharkhand. I never got a chance to go to school. I remember that when I was 5 years old, I broke my foot. I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurts in winter, means pain in winter. While grazing our goats, we often got busy in playing. Once, at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding. I had lost one goat. At the age of 15 years, I was married. My husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Later, I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. Time passed very fast then. I was busy with my farm, housework and looking after my animals. But at the age of 35 years, my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. His brothers tried to take away our farm. They beat me badly and said I was a witch. Some good people saved me. We fought a case against those who beat me up. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school. Children, this is the timeline of Padki Devi, and this story is true story. And in the timeline, you see that how the things are happened in her life. Now, come to the next page. Some things that happened in her life are given below. Mark these on her timeline. For example, when she was 5 years old, Padki broke her foot. A is marked at 5 on the timeline. Children, see, this is the timeline. Here is a straight line and the numbers are placed here. And this is the 5, 10, 15, 20. These are the age in years. See, broke her foot at the age of 5. So, A is marked here. Now, second one is lost one goat. At what age Padki Devi lost one goat? You can see here. I had lost one goat at the age of 10 years. So, you can mark here B. At the age of 10 years, Padki Devi lost one goat. Next is got married. You can see from here, at the age of 15 years, she was married. So write down C. you have to put a mark because here is the interval of 5 years gap. So mark here and write down 15. Had her 4th child. 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. So at the age of 24 years, she had 4th child. So now mark here, this is 25 and just here mark 24. So this is D, had her 4th child. First saw a police station. C, at the age of 35, at the age of 40 years, she saw a police station. Now marked police station, E. Next is learn to read and write. At the age of 45, she learned how to read and write. So mark here F. Eldest daughter got married. After 2 years, her daughter married, means after 2 years of 45, means at the age of 47, her eldest daughter got married. Next one is mark on the timeline when she was born. Children, see, this is the graphical representation. Picture is here. See, her foot broke. Then she lost her goat. Then she got married, and so on. And you have to mark on the timeline when she was born. At the age of 5, this is her age 5. So you can mark here when she was born and write down when she was born. Paidaki Devi born. In the blank box, draw a picture of Paidaki as a newborn baby. Children, here you can draw a picture of newborn baby here. Make your own timeline, ask people around you and mark at least one thing that happened in each year of your life. Children, now in the same way you can make your own timeline, and this is the age in years, and you have to write at least one thing which happened in your life, like in first year, when you born, when any incident happened in any year, and so on. In the same way you can make timelines of your friends, family or teachers. Next, come to the next page. One day in the life of Kusum. Let's see what Kusum does every day. Write down the time for each picture. For some pictures the time is already written and you must draw the hands on the clock. In others you have to write the time shown by the clock. Children, see here the time is here one day it is given of the Kusum's life, and in this pictures are given and time is also given. Let's see. Kusum gets up early in the morning. Time is given at 6 o'clock. Here you will write at 6 o'clock in the morning. Second activity is she brings water from the well at 6:30. She get up early in the morning at 6 and at 6:30 she brings water from the well. Here you have to draw the hands, minute hand and hour hand. Next, she cleans her house at 7:30. You can see here the minute hand is at 6 and hour hand is here 7. So this is 7:30. So at 7:30 in morning she goes to school at 8 o'clock. Draw the hands. Where the hands are required to draw, you have to draw. Next one is she is studying in school at 10 o'clock. Write down at 10 o'clock in the morning. Next, she comes back from school at 1 o'clock. Draw the hands 1 o'clock in the afternoon. She takes lunch with her brother and grandmother at 2 o'clock. So write down 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Next one is she plays with her friends in the evening, 5:30 in the evening. Draw the hands, 5:30 in the evening. She listens to a story from her grandmother before she sleeps at 9 o'clock. So draw the hands. So this is the one day life of Kusum. Next, come to the last page of this chapter. Now prepare a chart showing your own daily routine. Children, in the same way like this, you have to write down your activities. Like you have to write down in words here. This is clock. What do you do at this time? Means when you will wake up in the morning, when you take bath, when you take lunch or breakfast, when you study or playing, all these things. So at your own, you have to do this page by yourself. Children, hope you understood the complete chapter. The time goes on, so try to complete this maths bookwork. Thank you.